my god.
Wait, look at my ankle hurts.
Brittany and Molly, back up.
Are we doing this again? I really don't know if I can do it again. I'm limping.
They're sending her back out. They're sending her back out right after this. A model slips and falls during the finale runway challenge on America's Next Top Model. She hurts her ankle and they make her go back out to do the end of it. So let's take a look, shall we?
We're doing a salon-style fashion show. It's very intimate.
Oh.
Literally, the show is going to go from one room to another room to another room, and you're going to have to sell the garment.
I don't know how these girls are not asleep right now. Yet another challenge for this finale episode. We've done what they did a video commercial for CoverGirl, then they did a photo shoot, then they did another photo shoot for Vogue Beauty in the cold, and then now they're doing another. I don't even know what this is. This is exhausting.
We have a few familiar faces who are going to be in the show with you. You guys, of course, remember Kasha.
Hi guys.
And we've got Alexandria.
Hey guys.
And we've got our girl
Brittany,
Hannah.
what was that face?
But we cannot start this show without last cycle's winner. Anne from Cycle 15 is here.
Hi ladies. I just want to wish you guys good luck.
I love Anne.
Calm yourself and just have fun with it, because it's really just about having fun.
Electronic maraca music. Wow. I love Anne. Tyra looks so good. Wow, Anne. Amazing.
And set, go.
Wow, I love Molly's look.
I definitely feel like a supermodel, all dressed up and looking pretty.
Wow, she looks amazing. Oh my God. She looks so good.
I can definitely see this being my life. I could do this every day, you know.
Hire her.
I would get a little
Hire
cranky
her
probably
immediately.
And tired and need a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
If they eliminated me and then brought me back for the finale runway show, yeah, I'm gonna ruin everything. I'm gonna do the worst job possible. I'm gonna make headlines, okay? This is gonna, if that's my final moment, like I know I lost already, you have to give it your all, but in a bad way. And that's how you get the modeling contract. They're gonna be like, who was that model that ruined the entire show in Morocco for America's? That was me. And then there you go, $100,000 contract.
Okay, Brittany, you ready?
Look at Brittany.
Wow. I love this
I'm
look.
surprised I'm here.
Oh my gosh, looks so good.
Never would have been like, I'm gonna be top 2 in America's Next Top Model. Coming from a trailer park.
Miss J's killing me with the orange.
I get my first walk done and I'm running up the stairs.
Hurry up, get changed. Go, 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 get changed.
Wow.
It's crazy. Backstage, it's like people drag me one way and then they take me another way.
Be careful.
People are just running around trying to get dressed in time, and it's just really...
There has to be a more organized way of doing this, right? Has no one tried to be like, you know what, let's try to organize this. Everyone's running like crazy. It's pure chaos back there. That on its own would have stressed me out. Just running back there, there's a million people throwing stuff at you, pulling stuff up. You have to take stuff up. I don't know how models do that.
Hurry, hurry, let's go. We got one. All right, Molly, let's just take a look at you real fast.
My second lap around the runway, I'm feeling a little bit more confident.
Molly looks good.
I definitely know that I have rhythm. I can hear the music. And
Wow,
feed off
she looks
that.
so good.
We've seen her walk in a runway show, but it was never like this. I mean, it's almost like, who is that child? And she looked beautiful.
Cute.
Anyway, her baby girl.
Her mom's so cute.
So let's just check Brittany out real quick, Thea. Are we good?
Wow. This look. Oh my
When I
God.
do runway, I don't even know how I could explain it. It's just that adrenaline rush.
She
and I feel
looks so good with that green.
That girl's got something. I really love runway a lot.
Set that
That
way.
look. So good.
This is such great styling.
The final lap is me and Brittany walking side by side.
Hold it for a while there, girl.
What is
It's a lot
this?
harder posing with another
Brittany
person because you don't know what they're about to do.
We get in front of the judges and we're posing, but we really didn't know what we were doing. And at one point, I started laughing because like it looked like we were in some kind of like sex position.
Broken down doll.
My hips are like on the back of her. And we both look silly. And she
Wait,
just
wait,
giggle.
Wait, what? Hold on. What was that? Did you guys see Nigel's face? What just happened? Hold on, I have to rewind that.
Broken down doll.
Why do they look like this? Why does Nigel look like he just witnessed like something offensive? Tyra's like, what on earth is this? Why does Tyra look like she's gonna eliminate them both right now? The season is over. Look at, if I was posing on a runway and people were looking at me like this, I would walk stage left out to the nearest exit. Okay, so I guess how they were posing with each other looked bad. Did someone, well, I don't know why they didn't just pose by themselves.
We both look silly, and she just kind of started to giggle.
Were they supposed to pose with each other?
Rose petals and your shoe, they're so slippy. Like your shoe always like kind of glides on them.
Oh my God.
Brittany slips on the rose petals, tries to catch herself, doesn't. And, you know, I put my hand out and she grabs my hand and I help her up.
I'm just thinking like, what did I do? I really just freaking fell during the biggest moment of my life. I was upset that I fell. It's like my ankle hurts.
Ruby and Molly, back up.
Are we doing this again? I really don't know if I can do it again. I'm limping.
They're
There's no way
sending
I
her
can do a
back
runway
out.
walk.
They're sending her back out right after this. She slams into a wall. Tell me why they keep having to throw the rose petals on the floor. That is literally a slipping hazard. They're like, please slip on these rose petals. That's like attempted murder, ma'am. They're like, we're going to sprinkle extra as Brittany walks down here with her slippery heels. Poor girl fell. She slammed her head against the thing.
Brittany slips on the rose petals, tries to catch herself,
Look at how
doesn't.
many look at all those rose petals, you guys. Please. Tell me why this is necessary. You guys see all these rose petals? This is where she slipped. You can tell that they're putting more and more over here. Do you guys see that? They're throwing more rose petals over here. They're concentrating them all near the exit. Where they're like, yeah, good luck trying to get past these. Trying to not slip and slide through this runway. And then this man's right here. I know he's saying a praying for her. He's like, please, Allah, please protect this girl.
I really don't know if I can do it again. I'm limping and there's no way I can do a runway walk.
It's killing. Okay, well, you're gonna have to try and push through it if you can.
So we're doing this all over again?
Yeah.
They don't care.
She really hurt herself.
It just sucks because like, my mom's not even here and that just really sucks. Because I wish I could talk to her about all this, and I can't.
I can't. They're sending her back out. She said she's limping.
I fell and then my night went pretty much downhill. I slipped on rose petals and I like fell and I had to catch myself on the wall and then I cut my wrist. It just sucks because like my mom's not even here and that just really sucks. Because I wish I could talk to her about all this, and I can't.
You slipped, you fell, you recovered.
Yeah.
But if you can make it for this finale, we're good.
If you can make it and make your ankle worse by walking more on it, after you slipped on the rose petals, we had people throw down for this while you're wearing the heels. The really high heels we're making you wear. Nobody cares. It's just another day. Brittany already completed the runway. She doesn't need to come back so she can clap around in a circle and then go back in. And then maybe she'll slip again. Who knows? She doesn't need to. No one's going to even remember which model didn't show up and who cares at this point. Look at all these rose petals conglomerated right here. And after somebody fell on them, they still did not clean them up. They still have them there. Another model could hurt herself. It doesn't seem like they care. Why would you have a hazard that someone can trip or fall over on your runway show? Why? It doesn't add anything. That's humiliating. It's embarrassing. And they're going to make her do it again.
I really disappointed myself. Like everybody thinks I'm really great at runway and then I'm the one that falls.
Keep going, keep going.
And that's the only time I ever really get upset, when I disappoint myself.
How you doing?
Yeah.
I think, Ivan, you can totally agree with it. This is probably the tightest competition that we've had. I mean, I think you guys...
She fell. They're like, how's everything? How was your experience? Like, She just got finished crying and she was having a breakdown, and they're like, hi, we just came to check in on you guys. They just act like nothing happened. Hi, how are you guys? How was your experience? There's refreshments in the back. Yeah, but not for you, Brittany, because you fell on the rose petals. But other than that, how was it? It doesn't matter. It didn't happen. It doesn't exist. What, you sprained your what? No, you didn't. They never acknowledge anything bad that happens to these girls ever. They act like it didn't happen. They could be on a hospital stretcher in an ambulance. Hi, how was everything? Did you enjoy your time on America's Next Top Model? Okay, great. Keep in touch. Your IV is coming out. Just Also your your heart rate monitor. You need to plug that back in. Yeah, have a great time. Thanks. It was so nice to meet you. It never happened on America's Next Top Model.
I think we need to kick it up a little bit more. And Tyra had this great idea.
I think both of you would look a little bit modern with a new look.
What are you talking about?
We're gonna have a totally different look for panel. You know, this has never happened before on Top Model.
And you know what? You're both now officially models. So,
Is she icing her? She's icing her foot right now. It looks like she's getting her foot iced. She's sitting down because she hurt her foot. They're like, what if, we give you a new look for panel? I don't care, sir. I don't care. Give this woman a cast. What are we doing? What are we doing? We don't need a new look for panel.